Hello children, in the previous video we have finished with the book exercises and word meanings of lesson number 8, RH Heritage Buildings and Monuments. Now we will start with the question answers of this lesson. So take out a new page of your social studies copies. Write the date on the left side of the margin. Write lesson 8 on the first line. On the second line write the name of the lesson RH Heritage Buildings and Monuments. So the first question is, what do you mean by cultural heritage? What do you mean by cultural heritage? Spelling of cultural are CULTURAL. Heritage HERITAGE. Now the answer is, it means the ways of living developed by a society and which are passed on from one generation to the other. I will repeat the answer once again. It means the ways of living developed by a society and which are passed on from one generation to the other. Spelling of develop, DEVELOPED, society SOCIETY, generation GENERATION. Children, once again I am reminding you, write it very neatly in your copies, touch the lines and then write. Question number 2 is, name the famous monuments of the Mughal dynasty. Mughal M will be capital here. Name the famous monuments of the Mughal dynasty. The answer is, the famous monuments of the Mughal dynasty are number 1, Taj Mahal, number 2, Red Fort, number 3, Agra Fort, number 4, Jama Masjid. Children, just see that wherever I have used capital letters, write capital letters only. Taj T capital, Mahal M capital, Red R capital, Fort F capital, Agra A capital, Fort F capital, Jama J capital and Masjid M capital. I will repeat the answer once again. The famous monuments of the Mughal dynasty are Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Agra Fort, Jama Masjid. Now question number 3 is, what do you know about the hill forts of Rajasthan? Here R will be capital for Rajasthan. The answer is, the hill forts of Rajasthan reflect the rich culture and heritage of the Rajput rulers. I will repeat the answer once again. The hill forts of Rajasthan reflect the rich culture and heritage of the Rajput rulers. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4. Name 3 famous temples of Tamil Nadu. Name 3 famous temples of Tamil Nadu. Answer is number 1, Shore Temple, SHORE, Shore. Number 2 is Meenakshi Temple, MEENAKSHI. Number 3 is Brihadiswarar Temple, BRIHADEESWARAR. I will repeat the spellings once again. BRIHA, Briha, Dis, DEES, Dis, Warar, WARAR. Brihadiswarar Temple. Now the next question is question number 5. Write a short note on the temples of Odisha. Odisha O will be capital here. The answer is, the temples of Odisha are number 1, Sun Temple dedicated to Sun God. Once again children, I am reminding you, wherever I have used capital letters, write capital letters only. Check your answers once again after writing. Number 1 is Sun Temple dedicated to Sun God. Number 2 is Lingaraja Temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. LINGARAJA, Lingaraja. And number 3 is Lord Jagannath Temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. Jaganath. Jaganath. Jagannath. Dedicated. 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 Vishnu. 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 I will repeat the answer once again. The temples of Odisha are: number 1, Sun Temple dedicated to Sun God. Number 2, Lingaraja Temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. And number 3, Lord Jagannath Temple dedicated to Lord Vishnu. I will show you the answers once again, children. Just go through the answers and check your copies also once again that you have written it correctly or not. And wherever I have used capital letters, just go through your answers that you have written capital letters or not. So children, this was all there regarding this lesson. We have finished with this lesson today. Next week we will start with the new lesson. Till then, goodbye.